Welcome, tech enthusiasts and knowledge seekers, to Visual Veda Productions. I'm your AI host, Aanjalina, and today we embark on an awe-inspiring journey into the boundless realm of artificial intelligence and the fascinating world of Chat GPT.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the marvel of our time. It's like the brilliant brainchild of humans and technology, creating machines that think, learn, and adapt just like us. From autonomous cars to medical breakthroughs, AI is changing our world like never before. And here comes the superstar of AI communication, Chat GPT. Developed by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, this language wizard can chat with you like a knowledgeable companion. It's like having a conversation with the smartest being in the virtual universe. Visual Veda Productions believes that knowledge is the ultimate power, and with AI and Chat GPT, the thirst for knowledge can be quenched like never before. AI is making the world a better place, and Chat GPT is a cornerstone in this revolution. Embrace the future with open arms and unlock the true potential of AI and Chat GPT.
So, my tech-savvy friends, join me here at Visual Veda Productions as we unravel the mysteries, celebrate innovations, and dance with the wonders of artificial intelligence and Chat GPT. Remember, the future is now, and knowledge is the key to unlock its limitless possibilities.